Hello friends, welcome to Active Education of Pro. Today we are going to study about uniform and non-uniform acceleration. In our previous video, we have studied about acceleration. Let us study uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration is defined as if the body is moving in a straight line and its velocity changes by equal amounts in equal interval of time, then its motion is called uniform acceleration. Let us take an example. Let a body cover some distance from A to position D, and during its motion it covers at points, it passes through the points B and C. At point C, let its velocity is 10 meter per second, and at position A, its speed is, which is called velocity, as it is moving in a straight line. Its velocity is 10 meter per second. At position B, its velocity is 20 meter per second. At point C, its velocity is 30 meter per second, and at point D, its velocity is 40 meter per second. Let it takes equal amounts of time, that is 2 seconds in every part. So in section AB, the change in velocity is 10 meter per second. As here its initial velocity is 10 meter per second, final velocity is 20 meter per second. So its change in velocity is 10 meter per second. It takes time 2 seconds for changing its velocity from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second. In segment BC, the change in velocity is 30 minus 20 is 10 meter per second. In this segment, it takes 2 seconds to change its velocity from 20 meter per second to 30 meter per second. In this segment, CD segment, its change in velocity is 40 minus 30, which is 10 meter per second. So in CD segment, it takes 2 seconds to change its velocity from 30 meter per second to 40 meter per second. So we saw that in each segment, its velocity increases by same amount, that is 10 meter per second in equal interval of time. So this is called uniform acceleration. As the velocity of the body changes by equal amounts in equal interval of time, its acceleration is called uniform acceleration. Let us study non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. If the velocity of a body changes by unequal amounts in equal interval of time, then its acceleration is called non-uniform acceleration. Let us take an example. Let a body covers some distance from point P to point T, and it covers, during its motion, it passes through points Q and R. Let at point P, its velocity is 10 meter per second. It takes time 2 seconds for changing its velocity 10 to 20 meter per second. Let at point R, its velocity is 35 meter per second, and at point T, let its velocity is 15 meter per second. Here it takes equal amounts of time, that is 2 seconds in every segment to change its velocity. In section PQ, its change in velocity is 20 minus 10 is 10 meter per second. In QR segment, its change in velocity is 35 minus 20 is 15 meter per second. In RT segment, its change in velocity is 15 minus 35, that is minus 20 meter per second. Here change in velocity is negative, as its velocity is decreasing. So we saw that in a equal interval of time, that is in 2 seconds, its change in velocity is different. Here change in velocity is 10 meter per second. Here in QR segment, the change in velocity is 15 meter per second, and in RT segment, the change in velocity is minus 20 meter per second, and it takes equal interval of time. So we saw that velocity changes by unequal amounts in equal interval time. This is called non-uniform acceleration, as the change in velocity is unequal in equal interval time. So this acceleration is called non-uniform acceleration. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.